Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to take a look at some comic book prompts in Midjourney. Also, if you want to learn how to make all these videos here in these examples and push your skills to the next level, I launched my Patreon page where I uploaded a bunch of these advanced tutorials. If you want to check them out, you can click the link in the description and access Patreon premium content, where you can access a bunch of high quality images and tutorials. Alright, so I gotta type in imagine, enter. I gotta go with portrait of a bald model wearing aviator sunglasses. I gotta go with comic book style first. And I gotta go with line AR space 2:3. Let's see what we get. Oh wow, look at that. So I think this was it, guys. You just type in comic book style. Wow, this actually looks really cool. This looks like a Savior from X-Men, really handsome style. But anyways, I'm gonna upscale the third one. So there's like more prompts going on. I'm gonna also add some more to see if we can get some different results. I'm gonna copy paste the same thing, and we also can add names of the artists who are like doing comic books. For example, I'm gonna add like style of Hollywood. I'm also gonna try out a different one, Control V. And I'm gonna add here to the comic books 1970s that. And so far this is the comic book style simple prompt. And I think it looks amazing. Okay, so let's see what we got with the Hollywood. Yeah, this made it like with more thicker strokes, a little bit more artistic looking. Now we got here the 1970s. It's a little bit more like pop art or something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna try out some more artists in here, and I'm gonna type in Al Williamson. And there's like a couple of more. Let's just see if there's like different style techniques in here. So here we have the Al Williamson. I don't know, but in all four, these are like different styles, so they don't match each other. I don't understand what's going on here. And we also have the Steve Ditko. Let's see what's up with this one. Interesting. Again, it gives some comic book styles, but I'm gonna try it out now without the prompt comic book style. Let's see if it does something interesting. And I'm gonna remove the comic book style. Let's see if this prompt is for real. And look what we got here. It's not comic book style, so the AI didn't recognize these artist names. So mainly, you can use the comic book style, and it's just gonna give you like these perfect results. And this was it. Thanks for watching.